Northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for Central Jay County in east central Indiana until 2:30 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near center, west-northwest of Portland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Reports of some tree damage in the Dunkirk area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Portland around 2 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bryant, Westchester, College Corner, Center, Liber, Trinity, Blaine, New Corridon, Bryce, and Bell Fountain. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following county: Jay, Indiana.
How else may I help?
It's nice to have everything back to normal, Frog.
It sure is, but I need just one more thing.
What?
A nap.
With all of Frog's letter S problems fixed, he could finally relax. The end.
Coming Wednesday, November 22nd.
I've got the Yule Log video.
A new holiday special for the entire family.
It's the director's cut.
Once Upon a Sesame Street Christmas.
It's Elmo's favorite time of year.
The Holiday Lights.
You can say that again.
The Holiday Spirit.
That good cheer is spreading.
And
have a cookie.
The Cookies. Once Upon a Sesame Street Christmas. Premieres Wednesday, November 22nd on PBS Kids.
Jet and his family and friends are heading back to their home planet on their biggest adventure ever.
We're going to Vortron 7?
It's the Ready, Jet, Go movie, Back to Vortron 7. Part of PBS Kids Family Night. Tonight at 7, 6 Central on PBS Kids.
WordWorld is funded in part through a cooperative agreement with the U.S. Department of Education.
School!
Want to get to Sesame Street? It's on PBS Kids with new adventures, new songs, and new fun. Sesame Street every day on PBS Kids. And play Sesame Street games on the PBS Kids Games app.
Blast off into adventure.
Best idea in over 2 million years.
Watch Ready, Jet, Go today on PBS Kids at 6:30, 5:30 Central.
And now a special PBS Kids moment with Daniel Tiger and his friends.
Do you know what today is? It's my birthday! Look! I'm gonna have a birthday party. See? Trolley! Please take us to the neighborhood bakery. You're gonna love it.
We're going to the bakery to pick out a cake. Won't you ride on with me?
Hi, Katerina Kitty Cat. Hi, Owl the Owl. Wanna come to the bakery with us? Meow, meow, yes. Happy birthday, Daniel Tiger. Buckle up.
We're going to the bakery to pick out a cake. Won't you ride along with me?
Watch Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood every day on PBS Kids at 5, 4 Central. And watch Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood anytime on the PBS Kids video app.
PBS Kids.
Hi, it's me, Wyatt. Ready to go on a reading adventure? Super! Look, it's Humpty Dumpty. In this story, we'll apply the alphabet, practice the magic of spelling, and use the power to read to change the story. Let's go! Superwise is funded by a cooperative agreement of the U.S. Department of Education and the Corporation for Public Broadcasting's Ready to Learn grant, and by PBS viewers like you. Thank you.